Today in your reading mini lesson, you discussed how the author gives a message in a nonfiction book. You looked at three different books. You looked at The Meadowlands, Almost Gone, and Nobody Owns the Sky, all nonfiction books. In Meadowlands, you discussed how people in nature share the same environment and depend on each other, and the other message is stop polluting the environment. In Almost Gone, you should have discussed how human actions have endangered many animals, and by becoming aware of things that endanger animals, people can do things to help save them. And then in Nobody Owns the Sky, the message that you were to learn were to follow your dreams, and that dreams can come true through hard work and determination and dedication. And so today, during your independent reading time, we're asking that you choose a nonfiction book to read today. And as you read, think about the author's message. Be ready to share the author's message that you found in your book when we meet back up today. Thanks.